How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, resize the image to the current direction. For that, open Gallery and choose that particular image. Now tap on Edit button at bottom of the screen. Now select Crop and Rotate. Now tap Crop at bottom right corner and make this to 1:1 ratio. Once done, simply you need to tap on the check mark at bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap Save. You can even use an image editor like Canva, Photoshop or online tools to resize the picture. So now launch WhatsApp. Tap three dots at top right corner. Choose Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Storage and Data option. Choose Media Upload Quality. Tap on SD quality, which will be slower to send but can be 6 times larger. Tap Save button. Come back. Now tap on Profile at top left corner and upload that particular image from your gallery. Tap on Done button at bottom right corner, and this will help you to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.